You ever wanted to speak English confidently, but didn't know what to say first? Many English learners study grammar for years. They learn vocabulary, they watch videos, they read books. But when it's time to speak, they become silent. Not because they are not smart, not because their English is bad, but because they don't know the simple daily sentences real people actually use. So today we are going to change that. In this episode, you will learn simple English sentences that you can use in daily life. At home, at work, with friends, outside, anywhere. These are natural sentences, easy sentences, real-life sentences. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me. Because today is not only listening practice, today is speaking practice too. Good morning, how are you? I am fine. What are you doing? I am getting ready. I just woke up. I feel sleepy. I need some water. Please wait a minute. I am coming. Let's go. I am hungry. What do you want to eat? I like tea. This tastes good. I need some help. Can you help me? Thank you so much. You are welcome. No problem. That's okay. I understand. I don't understand. Can you say it again? Please speak slowly. What does this mean? I forgot. I remember now. That sounds nice. Really? Are you serious? That's interesting. I agree with you. I don't think so. Maybe later. I am busy right now. I will call you later. Where are you? I'm on my way. I'm outside. I'm running late. Sorry for being late. It's okay. Take your time. Be careful. Drive safely. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Good night. Sleep well. Now take a deep breath. You just practiced many real English sentences. And did you notice something? None of the sentences were difficult, because a real English is usually simple. Fluent speakers use simple sentences every day. The secret is not difficult grammar. The secret is repetition. So let's continue. Listen carefully, repeat naturally, and focus on speaking clearly. What happened? Are you okay? I'm feeling tired. I need some rest. Don't worry, everything is fine. I'm happy today. That made me laugh. I feel nervous. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Keep trying. Never give up. I am proud of you. That was amazing. Good job. Well done. I am so excited. That's great news. I am ready. Let's begin. What do you think? That's a good idea. I like your idea. Let me think. Give me a second. I will be right back. Can we talk later? I need more time. I am learning English. My English is improving. I want to speak fluently. I practice every day. I enjoy learning English. English is becoming easier. I can understand better now. I still make mistakes. That's completely normal. Mistakes help us learn. Keep speaking English. Many learners stop speaking because they are afraid of mistakes. But mistakes are part of learning. Children make mistakes when they learn a language, and slowly, they improve. You can improve too. You do not need perfect English. You only need daily practice. Even simple sentences can build strong confidence. The more you repeat these sentences, the more natural your English will become. One day you will speak without translating. One day sentences will come automatically. That is how fluency grows. Slowly, naturally, step by step. Now let's continue with more useful daily sentences. What time is it? I'm getting late. I need to leave now. Let's meet tomorrow. I just got home. I want to relax. I am watching a movie. What are your plans? I don't know yet. Sounds good to me. That's not fair. It happens sometimes. I completely forgot. Thanks for reminding me. I am trying my best. Please don't be angry. Can I ask you something? Of course. What's your favorite food? I love music. I enjoy reading books. I like spending time alone. I need a short break. This place is beautiful. The weather is nice today. I learned something new today. That was very helpful. I feel more confident now. English is part of my daily life now. I will keep practicing. I won't stop learning. Every day is a new chance. Small steps create big results. Practice makes progress. I believe in myself. And that is the most important thing, believing in yourself. Many learners think fluency is impossible, but fluency is not magic. Fluency is daily practice. Small sentences, repeated every day. The more you listen, the more you understand. The more you repeat, the more you speak. The more you speak, the more confident you become. So don't wait for perfect English. Start with simple English. Start with the sentences you learned today. Use them at home. Use them with friends. Use them in your daily routine because simple English used daily is more powerful than difficult English you never use. And remember this, you do not become fluent by memorizing thousands of words. You become fluent by using simple sentences again and again. So keep practicing, keep listening, keep repeating, and slowly English will become a natural part of your life. This is TwinTalk English Podcast, episode 63. Keep speaking, keep improving, and I will see you in the next episode.